Hello, you guys! Wait, by the way, Happy New Year! I'm still in the New Year break, and currently I'm going to take you guys to go to somewhere out of Bangkok. It's in Samut Prakan. Yeah, that's correct. It's currently I'm standing in the Samut Prakan. This one is only 15 baht today. I feel so shocked because it's way too cheap, and I'm travel like probably 20 minutes. The places is in the pier and a lot of seagull. Currently is 4:45 p.m. and I just commute by BTS because from my house, the BTS that I took, it was from Udom Suk, and I'm going to KK, which is the last station from Sukhumvit line. After that, I have to take some motorbike. You probably go by taxi, but because I just travel a lot like this, there is no way for me to get a taxi because I really want to enjoy what this traveling is. And yeah, let's go. I'm so excited, really excited by the wait. Also guys, I'm being here because I'm waiting for the sunset. It's really perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is wonderful. This is out of like not in Bangkok, but we are in Bangkok. I mean, even though in the other province. Dude! Oh, they're really flying around us. Like, you can see. Oh, here we go. I will go to another station there. Yeah, I have this right now and ready to spread around. Alright guys, now we're just chilling here, enjoy the moment and time with the seagull. It's not every day I'm here, but I'm trying to capture all the moment for you guys. Also, if you wonder or if you really want to know somewhere in Bangkok, just let me know by comment below. I'm really appreciate it. I'm trying my best to, figure it out and finding way during this New Year break. Oh, shoot. Okay, one more time. Ooh. Okay, like this one. Dude, take it. Ooh. Nice. Oh, dude, sorry. Okay, okay. Oh my god. Dude, last one, okay? This is last one for you. See? All of people there. Wait, I will buy for you, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4. Spending 70 hours just to be in Monterey with you. 3 hours in and we're talking about our futures like we have a clue. I hope your father will like me, cause I know his expectations high. And somewhere in adolescence it told you to stay away from boys like me who write songs about you. And it feels wrong without you. And so I'll say now, baby, what's the problem today? Just take my hand, let's run away and see the coast of Monterey.
Alright guys, I've been here for more than 2 hours right now. It sets to 6 p.m. and the sunset it's already set down. Time to going back and see you in another video. ขอบคุณมากๆ